Hi everyone, welcome to Make It in Minutes Monday. We are back, yay! Super excited to be here today with you guys. It's been a while. Today I created this card right here, and we are using the new Ever Eden 12x12 DSP that's going to be coming out in the new January through June mini catalog. I am in love with this paper. It is gorgeous, and seeing it on video or in online is just not quite, it just doesn't do it justice. So we're going to be creating that. It also pairs up with Eden's Garden stamp set and the dies that go with it as well. But today we're going to be using the Peaceful Cabin stamp set. We're going to be using For You, and the inside we use Your Kindness Makes the World a More Beautiful Place to Be. And we're going to get started. So all the supplies that you're going to need are going to be listed, and we're going to do a little bit of stamping first. So I'm going to set this off to the side. We're going to do our sentiments first so I can let those dry a little bit. Today we're using our Evening Evergreen. Okay, so I'm going to stamp this saying for the inside of our card. And I'm going to stamp For You. All right, we're going to let those dry. Now we're going to start just layering our card. I am using glue today, our mono adhesive glue. I love this because it gives you a little bit of time to position your piece of paper or whatever item you're trying to layer. We're going to adhere this to the front. And when you layer this, you want to make sure that you're leaving the same amount all around the edge. We're going to take our inside card and we're going to adhere that on to the other Evening Evergreen. All right, now we're ready to put this on the inside. Okay, now we're going to take and layer this on the inside. We used our layering circle dies. I'm going to take our double oval punch. We're going to punch out our For You in just the regular. I'm going to cut a little bit of this off because it was a little too thick. There we go. Just find where you want it. Give it a good punch or a good squeeze. We're going to pop that up on dimensionals, and we're going to layer that on top. Last but not least, part of the suite that is going to be coming out in January, we're going to layer some of these beautiful gems. This right here is Cherry Cobbler for the ones up here. You can kind of see the red in it, and the ones down here are the soft succulent colors. They are absolutely stunning in person. All right, so we're going to pop a couple of those on there. And there you have it. Now, Stampin' Up! Is offering a wonderful joining special right now. We would love for you to get in on that offer. We'd be doing a disservice if we didn't share it with you because it's so fabulous. You get $125 worth of product for $75 plus tax. You get to pick out your own items, and you can make it what you want. If you want to do it as a business or you just want to do it to get the discount, that's perfectly fine. If you have any questions, please let us know. That does end at the end of the month. And in part of the starter kit, you'd be able to get this kit, the designer series paper, the stamp set, and the dies if you choose to. If you have any questions, be sure to let us know, and we hope you enjoyed this not 5 minute, but Make It a Minute Monday. Take care.